Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 872, leaf similar trees. So it's a really simple problem to solve, and first we'll check out the problem statement, then we'll go through the approach which we're going to use, and at the end we'll see the code as well. So starting with the problem statement, consider all the leaves of a binary tree from left to right order, the values of those leaves from a leaf value sequence. Okay, so as you know, like leaf node is a node which don't have any other child node. Okay, and we have to get these leaf nodes from left to right. Okay, two binary trees are considered leaf similar if their leaf value sequence is the same. So basically, if you traverse all the leaf from left to right for two trees, they will be called leaf similar if the result will be same. Okay, return true if and only if the two given trees with head nodes root 1 and root 2 are leaf similar. Okay, so basically we have to traverse both these trees, and we have to check if the leaf sequence is similar or not. Okay, so let's check out the approach which we can use to solve this problem. So it's going to be a simple application of a depth first search approach, in which what we'll do, we will simply start with the root node, and if okay, let's say we'll have any node, and if that node have either left or right subtree, then we will keep on processing the child nodes as well until we reach to the child nodes. Okay, once you reach to the child node in which this condition will be satisfied, the condition is no left node and no right node. Okay, in this condition what we'll do, we will add the value of node to the result array. So we'll be keeping two arrays, let's say result 1 and result 2. Let's name them, and we will traverse the trees one by one, and we'll keep on appending the elements on the basis of this condition. Otherwise we will keep on calling the dfs method, which we will be defining recursively. So this one is a valid leaf similar tree because the sequence of the child node is similar 2 3 and 2 3, but this one is not valid because the sequence is different, 2 3 and 3 2. So this is what we'll be doing. Let's check out the solution of it. So as you can see, what I have done over here is I have defined two arrays, tree1 leaves and tree2 leaves. These are basically the result 1 and result 2 arrays from the explanation. After that, I have defined a function dfs in which I'm taking two parameters. First one is the root or the node, I can say, I should have said node, and other is tree. Okay, so I'll be passing this tree1 leaves, tree2 leaves in this parameter. So the first and the base condition is if root is done, I just want to return it. I don't want to process anything further. But if it is a valid root, and if it doesn't have a left child or a right child, then we will append the value of it in the resultant array. Okay, otherwise we will recursively call the dfs function again with the root dot left if the tree has a left child and the same tree, and if it also have a right child, we will call the dfs method recursively using the right child. And at the end over here, as you can see, like we have initiated the dfs, the this method two times for both the trees root 1 and root 2, and we are passing tree 1 leaves and tree 2 leaves as the tree value. And at the end, what we are doing, we are just simply checking if the resultant arrays are same, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So let's check out the test cases. So the test cases got accepted. Let's submit it for further evaluation now. And the solution also got accepted, and as you can see, like we have performed fairly well. So yeah, this was the solution, guys. Thanks a ton for watching out the video. Stay tuned for upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.